Hydro gang, see y'all know what the fuck going. Take over. Hey, you know we rollin', we deep, got a problem with one of us. You got a problem with all of us. Speaking of problems, I got them with bitches, they mad. I fuck them and then never call them up. Speaking of calling, it's gonna be yours. Better respect me, a guy finna call them up. We gon' let every shit rip through your pores. Autopsy say he got hit from the bottom up. How I run to that money, I should've been sore. I hit a lot of hoes, you probably know them. Better yet, one of them probably is yours. No, I'm glad I knew she was yours. I was so ashy, out here to explore. I know why niggas don't like me, I'm stuffing my dick in the hoes, they tend to adore. It ain't about money, I tend to ignore. She can suck dick, I tend to ignore. Run to your crib, we finna explore. Whatever pop out, we gon' dump to the floor. Yup, smoking exotic, sipping a pint in my door. Call me home to the plug.
I can get you in the States without a visa. You know I need ya. Put you in the AMG, not a Beamer. Let the chop out, they singing like a Leah. My car say it's Zulu, not the bottom. I'm just tryna get behind it like a 5-0. You, that's a crazy combo. I'm just tryna fuck a red bone like mulatto. Hey, Nina.
Wait,
AMG, not a Beamer. Let the chop out, they singing like a Leah.
Down south, real down south, baby. Why'd you pay attention if attention never paid you? Straight to the New York, that's the city, bright and raised me. Little bit out of Miami, let them city girls explain it. From the bottom of the map, just listen what I'm saying. I get in my feelings, raw wave is what I'm playing. I'm fighting from the damn part way is what she claiming. Can't keep a push in the leash, why you tryna save her? Home of the swamps and the gators be posted in evergreens. Disney World to its attractions, people really love it. They come dive up in their water, until you call it sea. Sign state, but nigga, this ain't peaches and cream. Take a cruise through my city, baby, slide to the lawyer. Don't be talking crazy, call my niggas down, know that. Tuesday and Thursday, I'm ready to post like a soldier. Bitch, wanna fuck, goddamn, she getting older. I wanna go, I got some cheese. I go see the Guinness, pop a ring, Kawasaki, don't get caught with no limit. I'm real for the jits, come through and take attendance. Hop up in the store, I say, bitch, my own business. Like a huggy nigga, I don't get no fake shit. Tryna crack, so I had to let him run his mouth. So he gon' fire your ass off. He ain't really getting no cheese, nigga. Keep it a ball. Been a gun, I feel like got them junkies that'll make you jet. Chill when you spit to them boys, they'll die by their respect. 4, 5, 6, I had to crack them at the dice. Bite the real with the cheese and sell it double the price. I'm on some rippin' Z's tryna go and earn they stripes. If you wanna know about for then this bitch gon' take a flight. And then we going outside. Go take a trip down south, real down south, baby.